Hello, good morning students. KGPS Babrala, class 9th, subject mathematics. This is your lecture 4, chapter 1. Today we solve exercise 1.2. We have question number 1. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. ये आपका ट्रू फॉल्स का क्वेश्चन है. आपको बताना है कि स्टेटमेंट सही है या गलत है. एवरी इरेशनल नंबर इज़ अ रियल नंबर. तो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज़ ट्रू. बट वाई? We know real number is equals to rational plus irrational. So irrational number is a part of real number. Irrational number real number का एक पार्ट है. तो आप कह सकते हैं every irrational number is a real number. Real number plus irrational. Rational number plus irrational is equals to real number. The combination of rational plus irrational gives real number. So irrational number is a part of real number. So every irrational number is a real number. So this statement is true. Now second statement, every point on the number line is of the form root m where m is a natural number. ये कह रहे हैं कि जो नंबर लाइन होती है हमारी, this one is a number line and we represent number on this line. तो here is 0 and on the left of it -1, -2. Negative number cannot be the root of any natural number. If we take -2, it is a negative number and we cannot find its root. So that's why this statement is false. So negative number cannot be the square root of any natural number. Can't be the square root of any natural number. So this statement is false. यहाँ देखिए -m डज़ नॉट एग्जिस्ट. इस तरह की कोई वैल्यू एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती है. -√2 डज़ नॉट एग्जिस्ट. नाउ थर्ड स्टेटमेंट, एवरी रियल नंबर इज़ एन इरेशनल नंबर. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज़ ऑल्सो false because 3 is a real number but not irrational. Here we see 3 is a real number but not irrational. So this statement is false. Now the question number 2, are the square root of all positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is a rational number. तो this statement is false or no. ये पूछ रहे हैं कि पॉजिटिव स्क्वायर रूट जो है किसी भी नंबर्स का इरेशनल होगा. तो हमने 4 ले लिया. 4 इज़ अ पॉजिटिव नंबर. फिर इसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करा. इसका स्क्वायर रूट हो गया 2, बट 2 इज़ नॉट इरेशनल. 2 इज़ अ रेशनल नंबर. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज़ फॉल्स. तो वी से नो. Here we have the example, √4 is equals to 2 and √4 is a perfect square. Here it is 2. 2 is a rational number, not irrational. Here question number 3, show that √5 can be represented on the number line. √5 को नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करना है. तो फर्स्ट वी ड्रॉ द नंबर लाइन. Here r is the real number. Here we put 0 in the middle and take a unit distance. OA is equals to 1 unit. OA is equals to 1 unit. OA की वैल्यू हमने 1 यूनिट ले ली. And we draw perpendicular P1A of length 1 unit. Then we join OP. Then we get this OP as a √2. In the same way, we draw a perpendicular of length 1 unit P2 P1 and we join O to P. Then we get √3. In the same way, 0. Also we draw perpendicular here at P3 of length 1 unit. We join OP3. We get √4. In the same way, draw perpendicular at P3. We get OP4 is √5. So we take a compass. Put compass here and pencil it here. Put compass here, pencil it here and draw it. We get √2. This is the representation of √2 on the number line. We take compass at here, taking O as a center and OP2 as a radius. So draw this dotted. This dotted is a √3. In the same way, taking O as a center and OP3 as a radius. So we draw it at this point. This is the graph for root 4. In the same way, take O as a center and OP4 as a radius. So we draw, this is the representation of root 5. This completes your lecture 4. We stops here. Now we will continue in the next class. Thank you.